Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be planting all these seeds that we have.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to do this. We're gonna plant watermelon,
Chives,
cucumber.
chili,
It's kind of hard to remember.
and tomatoes. Yeah, I love it. Step one is to put all the soil into the bucket. More.
You need that much.
Yes. More. The whole thing, really. More. What?
This is the second one. Now I'm gonna do it. This is so heavy. I didn't realize. Every place at home, please. I will put a little bit because it's so hard and heavy.
Step two is to dig and keep on flattening the soil.
Put more space for the seed. Now I'll do it. This is kind of hard. Everything is hard. When it comes to planting.
No, everything is.
This is watermelon.
And this is melon.
1,
3
and 4,
and 5.
5. Oops, one fell down.
You put it in here. We are now gonna water up and cover up all this chives.
Oh.
A little bit more and that's it.
Now the next one.
Okay. This one is melon.
Yeah. I'm not getting melon.
Okay. There we go.
And the
Now-
next one is watermelon. Whenever you put water in the soil, it like sinks. Now that one is tomato.
Yeah. Three, not tomatoes, cucumbers.
Yeah.
Other one.
Yeah.
Okay, other one.
Yeah.
Okay, other one.
Okay. Yeah. That's enough. I'm gonna put a little bit in this one.
That's enough. That's more than
Now this one. Cucumber.
enough.
This. And this. And finally the last one.
Chives.
Chives. My
Off
turn.
camera, we put some more seeds in each bucket.
And some more water. When this grows, we're gonna show it to you.
Yeah, and it's really cold now, so we'll leave this for the next 2 days. Bye.